You are welcome one more time to this class. So we're going to continue from where we stop. So in this tutorial, in our last class, we were able to insert data into our database. So let us now go and do what is called the seed demo user data using Breeze. So if you look at this database, look at this table, we don't have a row column in this table. So let's go add a row column to this table. So I'll go to my Visual Studio Code. Then in this place, this is where you can get the user's table, create user table from the migration. So when you go to click on, when you go to this place, this is the table that is responsible for that user table. Now I'm creating my admin. So you can get it from the database folder. Then you click the database folder under migration. You see create users table.php. So that is where I'm going to insert my row. So let me come here after this image verify. I'll come here, I'll add the table. So yeah, this table, I'll just do it enum, as enumeration, enum. But I want multiple rows in this particular project. So yeah, I will call this row. I'll give it a column for row. Then an array, open an array, because I want multiple rows. I'll say an admin. I want an admin. I want a teacher row, a teacher row. I also want a student row, So I'll give it a default. I want student to be a default value, default as students. So that's what I want to do. Okay. So table. So I didn't put the greater than sign. Okay. Okay. So I've done that. So I'll save this. So after doing this, what I want to do, I want to create a demo data. You can see if you go to our database, we only have one record inserted, and there's no row column in this particular table. And I want to populate this table with the admin, student, and teacher. So to do that, you will use what is called the seeder. So I have to install the seeder. So let me connect my server and run php artisan make seeder. Then the name of the seeder, I'll call this seeder user. Already I've created that seeder already. User table seeder. Once I created that already, so let me delete this one. I created the table, this one here, so that you can see that like I created that earlier. So now this user table seeder is the name of the seeder, user table seeder. So if I press enter, it will create a new seeder inside the seeders folder. So let me press enter so that you can see it. So you can see it has created a new file called user table seeder.php. So this is what is in the seeder. It is in this page that I will add some demo data. So I'm going to add demo data for the admin, for the teachers, and also for the students. So if you check your create user table, you see we have admin, teacher, and student. So I'll do that in this place. So the first thing you have to do, I want to define my database. You have to import that DB. That's to be imported from Illuminate support packages DB. Then you reference the table. Then the name of the table. We are working on the users table. If you check my admin database, you see that we are in the users table. So this user table that I need to reference. So that's where you're going to get the admin and the teachers and also the students. So here I will insert some demo data here. So I'll say insert some demo data. Okay. So here, what data do I want to insert? I want to insert the name. And yeah, before I do anything here, let me come here. Before I do anything here, let me just explain this to you. What I'm doing here will be for the admin. So I'll call this admin. Let me comment it. Admin. This is for the admin section. So I'll create an array. So I'll just paste this. So I've just pasted that. This is name. The name for this particular admin will be admin. The email, let me give the email. For this is an associative array. Email as gmail.com. So gmail.com. Then the password, I'm going to add the password. I don't want to use decrypt to add it. So if you look at this password, you can see it is hatched by Breeze. Breeze was This is the package that enable this to happen. So I want to add my password so that I can take the same semblance, the same shape of this password in Arch. So here I'll use the Arch keyword, Arch, and make sure you import it, Arch. So I've imported Arch from Illuminate support packages. So here Arch make. So I want to give it a default password of 123. That's the default password for the admin and everyone. So then the row, I want to give this a row of admin. This will have a row of admin. A row of admin. So that will have a row of admin. So I will do the same thing for others. I'm going to do the same thing for others. So I will copy this. I will copy this. I'll do the same for others. I'll just copy this and do the same for the teacher and also for the student. So I'll paste this. So this is going to be teacher. Then the name here, I'll give this name as teacher. Then the email as teacher@gmail.com. Then leave the password as 123. The row going to be teacher. Then I'll do the same thing for the students. So I'll change this to students. Okay. So I'll give the name as student. After letter S. Oh, my caps lock. Okay, student. Then the email is gonna be student@gmail.com. Then the row will be a student row. So this is partially what I need to do to populate my database with demo data using the seeder. So after doing this, the next thing I will do is to go to my database seeder.php. So you go to a database seeder.php and reference the users and reference this user seeder demo data. So I'll click on database seeder.php. So in this place here, what I will do here, I will come here and let me write this. So here I will come here and call the user database seeder using the this keyword. So I'll say this for database seeder, user seeder. So that's I've called the user table seeder, the one I placed my demo data in. I've called it inside the database seeder.php. So that's basically all you need to do here. So I'm going to save everything, save all. So now I have to run my migrate again, my PHP data migrate. This time around, I want to run refresh migrate. So if I run refresh migrate, everything here will go away. Every record here will go away. Then I will now seed it. So this is the command that will enable that to happen. Let me clear my space so that you can see that better. So I'll come here and say PHP artisan migrates, then fresh. Then I'll put seed, seed, not seed, and I press enter. So wait for it to seed. Brilliant. So you can see that for yourself. You can see what it wrote on the terminal. Dropping all tables. So the fresh will drop all tables. Then the seed will run the migrations. So if I go to my database again, and if I refresh the database, you will see what will happen. So I'm refreshing my database. Brilliant. So you can see the users table. It has been populated now with the name admin, teacher, student. And you can see the row, admin row, teacher row, student row. So you can see I've populated this database with what? Demo data using the seeder. So I hope this is helpful enough. So in our next class, we'll go straight to the multi-authentication system. So thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next class.